Welcome to our guide on how to buy Robinhood options. Robinhood is a popular trading platform that allows users to buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and options. Before we dive into the process, it is essential to understand the basics of options trading. An option is a contract that gives the buyer the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell a stock at a predetermined price, known as the strike price. To buy options on Robinhood, you need to have a Robinhood account and be approved for options trading. If you are new to Robinhood, you can sign up and apply for options trading in the app. Once your account is approved, you can start buying options. The first step is to navigate to the stock or ETF you want to buy options for. You can do this by searching for the stock or ETF in the Robinhood app. Once you have selected the stock or ETF, tap on the Trade button. This will take you to the order screen where you can select the type of trade you want to make. To buy options, select the Options tab. You will then be presented with a list of available options contracts. These contracts are listed by expiration date and strike price. The expiration date is the last day the option can be exercised, and the strike price is the price at which the underlying stock can be bought or sold. You can filter the options contracts by expiration date, strike price, and type, which can be either call or put. A call option gives the buyer the right to buy the underlying stock at the strike price, while a put option gives the buyer the right to sell the underlying stock at the strike price. To buy an option, select the contract you want to purchase and tap the Buy button. You will then be prompted to confirm your order. Review the details of the trade, including the number of contracts, strike price, and expiration date. Make sure you understand the risks and potential losses associated with options trading. Once you have confirmed your order, the option will be added to your Robinhood account. You can monitor the performance of your option in the app and close the position by selling the option or exercising it if it is in the money. It is essential to keep in mind that options trading involves risk and can result in significant losses. It is crucial to understand the basics of options trading and to develop a trading strategy before buying options. Start with small positions and gradually increase your investment as you gain experience. In conclusion, buying options on Robinhood is a straightforward process that requires some knowledge of options trading and the use of the Robinhood app. By following these steps and understanding the basics of options trading, you can start buying options on Robinhood and potentially profit from the movements in the stock market. Always prioritize risk management and education to ensure a successful trading experience.